Welcome to Lullaby Learners, where big dreams begin. Let's drift away together. Close your eyes, my sweet baby. Dreams are coming to you now. Sleep so peacefully, my child. Good morning, my sweet little baby. Let's get you in a nice fresh diaper. Now it's time to wash your face. Good morning, my little sunshine. Here comes the big airplane. Look at those pretty lights! Go get the ball, sweetie! Come on, sweetie, you can do it! Yes! Almost here! You did it! You did it! I'm so proud of you! Find the circle. Great job! Look at the big, friendly. Can you say moo too?
Dada.
Moo moo. Peekaboo. Softly sleep, my child. Dreams will come to you. Are you ready for some lunch? Open wide, here comes the airplane! Let's put on your sun hat. Ready for adventure? Here we sit, my sweet boy. Look at the big bright ball. Can you roll it back to me? You are doing so great. Wow, what a wonderful job.
Dada.
Look at those pretty birds up in the sky. Let's get you home to have your bath now. Let's have some yummy food. There you go. Is that good? Let's have that clean face. Time to get nice and cozy, my little love. Let's brush those little teeth. Hold on, almost done. Look at that beautiful smile. The sun goes down and the bright stars shine. Sleep tight, my sweet little baby of mine. Good night, my sweet little angel. Sleep tight, my sweet angel.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See you next time.